Hi, I just wanted to do this quick video to talk about essential oils and how they are or are not a cure-all. So a friend of mine was curious as to why I thought that essential oils were a cure-all, that they could help anything. And I was talking to her and I said, you know what? Essential oils are not a cure-all. But I can promise you one thing. That is, when you give the body what it needs, it heals itself. It has the capacity to heal itself. So I said, what I can offer you is I can offer applied kinesiology, which is muscle testing, to ask your body specific questions to find out what you need to thrive, to overcome, to support your body in certain processes. So, on top of applied kinesiology, there are so many things that our body could need, like essential oils, vitamins, other nutrients, herbs, foods, and other nutritional deficiencies. What else could the body need? The body could also need to eliminate toxic, trapped emotions in the heart and other organs of the body. Did you know that the body traps emotional trauma over the years in the body? For example, have you ever known somebody who's gotten in a giant accident or a big emotional riff or something tragic happens, and within months to a year, a very big significant health change for the worse happens? Yes. Okay. So it's not just stress. Okay. Although we know there's science out there that says stress that can contribute to other diseases. Yes. Stress manifested by this emotional baggage trapped. So what we can do is facilitate the release of these trapped emotions, trapped baggage, trapped traumas in the body that can allow the body to heal. Okay, so that's another aspect, and I am certified in the emotion code and body code to make that happen. So I can use muscle testing to find out what we need and what we need to release. And we can even ask the body certain questions like, is it possible for me to overcome this or heal from this? Or how far away am I from getting to where I want to be? And although I'm not a doctor and I cannot run those medical tests or make those diagnoses, I can ask your subconscious what your subconscious needs and then give you the answers that your subconscious is saying so that you can honor those so that you can be well again. So, are essential oils the cure all? No, but essential oils are high vibrating aromatic compounds that can help lift our moods, our spirit out of that funk, out of that stress, so our body can be in a place where healing is much easier. So, a little bit about that. I have been able to help with over 75 women overcome conditions that would be considered irreversible and chronic, related to their hormones, glands, organs, systems of the body. And I'm so grateful that I've been able to be part of so many little tiny miracles. So, yes, I'm so glad that I'm able to be part of this and help you on your journey if that feels right for you. So, that's all I wanted to share.